Getting lean is an exciting milestone, but staying there can feel daunting. Many people think it requires a rigid lifestyle, filled with sacrifices, but it doesn't have to be that way. Picture a life where you can enjoy delicious meals and still feel great in your body. This isn't just a dream, it's achievable by embracing a holistic approach to fitness and nutrition. Today we'll explore how to shift your mindset and create sustainable habits that keep you lean and thriving. The key to success lies in understanding the biggest myths surrounding weight loss. First, you need to know that depriving yourself of food is not the answer. Imagine trying to fuel a car with little gas. It simply won't run well. Instead of cutting calories drastically, focus on nutritious foods that nourish and energize your body. Secondly, the notion that hours spent in the gym guarantees success is misleading. Visualize a garden just as you wouldn't drown plants with water. Your body doesn't flourish with overtraining. Short, enjoyable workouts fit seamlessly into your daily life, enhancing your energy levels and mood. So what are the 3 pillars of getting lean and staying lean effortlessly? First, prioritize protein and whole foods. Envision colorful plates filled with lean meats, vibrant vegetables, and healthy fats, creating a feast that fuels your body and keeps hunger at bay. The next principle is to move daily, but keep it enjoyable. Instead of dreading workouts, think of taking walks in the park, practicing yoga in your living room, or dancing to your favorite tunes. These joyful activities promote well-being and consistency. Lastly, master your mindset. Picture a gradual journey where small achievements build momentum over time. Celebrating every step you take, no need for perfection. It's about progress and creating a rewarding lifestyle. Sustaining your lean body is all about integrating these principles into your daily routine. Envision a life that feels balanced and fulfilling. Start by creating personalized routines that align with your values and preferences, creating a blueprint for success. This isn't about following a one-size-fits-all formula. Now consider the importance of flexibility. Imagine indulging in pizza or a decadent dessert without guilt, allowing yourself to enjoy life while keeping the bigger picture in mind. By embracing balance, you can experience true freedom and satisfaction. Let these adjustments become woven into the fabric of your daily life, not just on challenging days, but as a joyful way of living.